Did you know that Apple's voice dictation feature has a bizarre glitch that briefly links the word racist to Trump? Stay tuned to uncover the details behind this curious phenomenon. Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is February 25th, 2025, and we have a fascinating lineup of Apple-related stories to dive into. First up, let's talk about a peculiar issue with Apple's voice dictation feature that has taken TikTok by storm. Users have discovered that saying the word racist briefly displays Trump in the text field before correcting itself. This glitch has been independently verified and has sparked discussions about the underlying cause. Experts suggest it might be a result of machine learning algorithms forming unexpected correlations between words. While Apple assures users that dictation data is used for training purposes and not stored unless explicitly opted in, this incident raises questions about potential biases in automated speech recognition systems. It's a reminder of the complexities and challenges in developing AI-driven language tools. Moving on to the world of Linux, the Asahi Linux project has made strides in enhancing audio quality on Apple Silicon Macs. They've released a repository for user space audio configuration, complete with digital signal processing, DSP files tailored for various Apple Silicon devices. This initiative aims to surpass macOS's audio capabilities, which the project critiques for overly processed sound and bugs. By collaborating with Pipewire and WirePlumber, Asahi Linux offers a modular solution that automatically detects and configures audio settings at startup. It's a promising development for those running Linux on their Apple hardware, delivering a more accurate and faithful audio experience. Now, let's shift gears to Apple's economic commitments. Over the years, Apple has made significant investment announcements in the US, often aligning with political climates. Starting with a $1 billion Advanced Manufacturing Fund in 2017, Apple has progressively increased its pledges, reaching a staggering $500 billion commitment over the next 4 years. These investments focus on areas like artificial intelligence, silicon engineering, and workforce development. While these announcements are strategically timed, they underline Apple's influence on the US economy and its role in fostering innovation and job creation. Speaking of investments, Apple is set to open a manufacturing academy in downtown Detroit later this year. This initiative aims to help small and mid-sized businesses adopt advanced manufacturing techniques, including AI and smart manufacturing. The academy will offer free courses, both in-person and online, with support from Apple engineers and Michigan State University experts. Additionally, Apple plans to open a new Apple Store in Detroit, further solidifying its presence in the region. These efforts reflect Apple's ongoing commitment to economic development and skill building in the US. In legal news, the battle between Apple and Epic Games continues to unfold. Apple executive Phil Schiller recently testified about his initial doubts regarding the company's commission structure for alternative payment methods. Following a court ruling, Apple reduced its standard 30% fee to a range of 12% to 27% for external transactions. Schiller expressed concerns about compliance risks and the potential strain on developer relationships. Despite these reservations, the commission structure was implemented in January 2024. The case highlights the complexities of balancing court mandates with business interests, and the hearings are far from over. On a lighter note, Apple has launched an official Apple developer account on WeChat, aiming to strengthen its connection with the developer community in China. This platform will provide updates, announcements, and resources in simplified Chinese, catering to local developers. It's a strategic move to enhance engagement and support in one of Apple's key markets. For developers, there's exciting news about the Groq Swift GitHub repository. This Swift SDK enables developers to build AI-powered applications using Groq's language models on Apple platforms and Linux. With features like async await API design and robust error handling, the SDK is a versatile tool for creating innovative applications. A demo chat app is included to showcase its capabilities, making it a valuable resource for developers exploring AI integration. Finally, let's delve into the balance between speed and security in Apple Silicon chips. Speculative execution, a technique used to boost CPU performance, has been a double-edged sword. While it enhances processing speed, it also introduces vulnerabilities like the Spectre attacks. Apple Silicon employs advanced techniques like load address prediction and load value prediction to optimize performance, but these methods come with security risks. As technology evolves, addressing these vulnerabilities will be crucial to ensuring both performance and safety in future chip designs. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you enjoyed these insights into the latest developments in the Apple ecosystem. As always, links to all the stories we covered can be found in the episode notes. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.